G'day guys, very early here in Australia and I am pulled up on my way to Broken Hill as per the usual. And I'll just turn this camera around so I can see the beautiful sunrise that is just coming over. But as you can see out there, absolutely beautiful. Got a homestead right over in the background there. Now, I'll quickly show you this nice little creek. Any Broken Hillians out there will know. Good old Pine Creek. Have a look at that ripper. What a pearler. Now, oh yeah, and you got your dead kangaroo, of course. You've got to always have your dead kangaroo hanging around. And I'm just going to get on this bridge while I can before too much traffic comes. Now, as you can see down here, these remarkable trees. They live in these creek beds, and believe it or not, these creek beds do get a fair bit of action when we get some rain. And I'm just going to quickly see if I can get there before any cars come. So I might go over this side first. Just give you a quick look, because there's nowhere for me to go if a car does come. No walkways out here. But have a look at this. Absolutely fantastic old creek bed. Have a look at the old trees. Got the sun rising over there beautifully. And now, believe it or not, when it does rain out here, it really pours. So I'm just going to keep moving and get down into the creek bed there and show you some awesome trees. It's actually better in midday because these trees, believe it or not, come out so white. Magnificent, magnificent to paint. And I'll just quickly move over to this side. So that particular tree in the middle there, lighting up, is the subject of choice. Quite often drive over this bridge and think to myself, I'll paint that one day. Yep, car's coming. Go, buddy, go! Okay, car safely passed. I'm still here. Hopefully I locked the ute. Now, rightio. Oh, another fence. Oh, look at those horses over there, guys. I did bring an apple too. Pretty sure that's how you call them out here. Right. Now again, show my... Oh, I tell you what. Now that's a tight strainer post. Let's see if I can get through it. Use my absolutely amazing skills of flexibility and acrobatics. That's a word. Now, I'm just going to get down here. Have a bit of a squeeze as to whether any of these trees are paintable fodder or not. Down into the creek bed. Couple of roo tracks here. Must be thoroughfare. Look at the size of that roo tracks, would you? Could possibly see a couple of skippies out here today. But yeah, great old bridge. That's probably even a good subject. Wonder if I can get down on my haunches and possibly get half decent photo. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Car going over early morning, and commuting between Broken Hill and Mildura is quite the thing to do this time of morning apparently. What do we got there? I got a big boy going over. Now, oh, I could see that tree. There it is, guys. Let's see if we can make our way there. In the day, it really lights up. And like I said, midday sun coming down on it really lights up that tree and looks quite white even. A nice bone coloured white. There's another heap of skippy tracks bouncing through. Rather fresh this morning. Right. And there is our main subject. Be nice if it's in full sun. Okay. There we go. Probably here in the background, some galahs. chirping away happily for the day. So we get a bit closer. Don't know if anything will come of it, but if anything, it's still a little bit entertaining, hopefully. Another quick soiree into the outback of Australia. Australia. Or as we like to say in Australia, Australia. Good old Australia, mate. Enough of the shenanigans. Let's make our way back to the vehicle that I hope I locked. Have a look at these trees, would you? Have a go at that. Oh, I tell you what, they just defy all odds. They're going to grow no matter what. Have a look at that thing. Twisted mess it is, but it's still going to grow and somehow still looks absolutely fabulous. Talk about the faraway tree. Maybe that's a good subject. Check it out, guys. Let's pan out, pan out. Oh yeah, I'm learning all the filming terminology I should say. Have a look at that. Hey, all jokes aside, that is absolutely magnificent. Tell you what, I'm 53 and I just want to climb that tree. Imagine making that into a tree house. Got more foundation there than you'd need. Okay, we'll get on the other side and have another look at her. Yep. Now that would have to be, I reckon, gee, easily 10 metres round. Wonder if I can put myself in the picture there. Let's have a look. Oh, get my hand out the way. But now I'm in my work clobber, so I'm certainly not dressed for the occasion. Righto. Now don't laugh. I do look funny. So I'm in my work clobber. But to give you an idea, just how big this tree is. Have a look at the size of it. It'd easily be 10 metres round. Now, I have been known to be the odd tree hugger here and there. Oh, what a climbing tree. Hug. What a ripper. How cool's that? Wow. Magnificent. It's a shame I've got to put this in landscape mode because portrait would probably be able to take in the whole lot, but that is one massive tree. Anyway, enough of that tree, let's move on. Now, what have we got here? A little bit of a bunker. Imagine having the golf clubs out today. You'd lose your ball down there, guys and gals. There's that bridge again. Got the sun in the eye. See if I can get on the other side of this old bridge. Like I said, that could be some artistic fodder, especially if we did it in a nice, like, rustic way. Not that really it is a rustic bridge. Look how old it is. Okay, I'm on the other side of the bridge now. The sun's just coming up, as I said. It's about 7 o'clock here in the morning. I'm about 50 clicks out of Broken Hill, heading into Broken Hill for the week. Got a little cluster of trees here, all gum trees. There's some history right there. Okay, I'm just going to go up a bit further and walk with that sunlight behind me as opposed to it being in the camera. I'll have a look at this, guys. Here's another tree that looks like it's blown over at one stage there. I just have to give you some scope of these trees. They're just absolutely amazing, the size of them. It's funny, my wife says, look at her phone, she's got photos of all the kids. Look at my phone, I've got photos of a heap of dead trees. Anyway, makes me laugh. Look at that sunlight. Absolutely fabulous day. We're coming into, well, we're in autumn now. Starting to cool down a little bit, thank God. Okay, I won't go much further, because the reason why I'm a little worried is that people are so good here, they might just pull up to see that I'm okay. Then I got to race back and go, no, it's all right, it's all good. So yeah, there we go, guys. See how white I was telling you about? Those trees can get so white with the sunlight on them. Okay, well, I think we've got enough footage there. Hopefully we can possibly get a painting out of this morning's little soiree into the outback of Australia in Pine Creek. Now I've got to work out how I'm going to get up here. Come on, Benny boy, you can do this. Oh, getting a little puffed. Oh, they're nasty. Ow, 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 box thorns. Yeah, really fantastic. These old creek beds. Okay. We'll make our way back to the ute. Did hear some little thumps. I was hoping I might see a little rabbit or maybe a little Skippy. Skippy. Skippy the bush kangaroo. Look at that. Straight under the fence line. You ripper. Oh, jeez. Not as flexible as I used to be. Oh, boy, oh, boy. Oh. See the lengths I go to for you people? No, for myself, really. See the lengths I go to try and get myself some art fodder. Look at that little fence line there. Noticed how bad my double chin is lately, so I've been told to hold the camera up high. Yeah, if only I was as fit as I used to be. Anyway, guys, let's see what we've got. Hopefully we've got some good fodder. Anyway, thanks guys for coming along on this little adventure, and I'll see you in the next one.